Rain stars, the long-awaited parcel is here. It has finally arrived. Look at it here. You guys remember the overseas shipping that I told you about on 1688? I told you about the new updates on 1688 that I have to test to come before coming here to show you guys how to go about it. And I also mentioned that it's not worth it at all. This is June 27th, and I just did an unboxing of these items that I used to test overseas shipment after since January that I placed order. This is more than 5 months. Let's say 6 months. Okay, let's say 5 months already. It's just coming now. So I told you guys, if you remember in my last video, I told you guys that I don't just teach you what I see on YouTube or anything in it. I do practical importation. So before I bring anything, any information you find on my channel, it means I have tried that thing. It's either worked for me or it didn't work for me. So you have to take what I say very, very seriously. So we are going to unbox this. Why I give you the bag gist, because it was really bad. Do you know that these people sent this item, they sent pickup message for each of this item one, like this particular 22 pieces vegetable cutter. I got a pickup message for this, unlike the way we do it, that you send all your items to my China warehouse, then we consolidate and send as a package for you. It was confusing. I even forgot my item because the way the thing came, imagine buying all these things and you're receiving pickup message for this, pickup message for this, pickup message for that. It wasn't funny at all. I felt bad. Like, since my journey in importation, I have never felt this bad about shipments. Though what I ordered came out, yes, now you have to trust an expert like me, a China importation coach. Everything came out well. So we are going to do a little unboxing while I give you the backstory of what really happened. So this is the 22 pieces vegetable cutter. This will make everything about your kitchen smart. It's 22 pieces. It has the bucket, the filter, and a whole lot. I'm going to drop a video of what this contains on this other side of the video to be the judge if you should import from China or you should buy from the Nigerian market. So this was the first item that came. I told you guys I've already done unboxing. I'm just showing you because I promised to show you guys. Yes, the next is this bag. I've already removed this bag from the package. This bag is everything. Video is not doing justice to it. This bag quality is, you need to feel it. All right, look at the bag. Yes. Okay, so the next thing is this makeup bag. So these people sent me this message. It took a long time before it got to Nigeria. Clearing took another 2 months. See, look at this makeup box. So this particular one, I want to sell it out. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section. I want to sell it out. Okay, so this, it has different compartments. I don't know if you can see it. Different compartments. It also has this mirror that you can open and remove the mirror. You can also open here and keep your brushes. So both makeup artists and nail tech can actually use this. It's very portable, strong. Your items will remain like that. Right, I practically sort all these things by myself, and I also teach people how to do this. So I don't know if you can see behind me, I have cartons of what to unbox, which I'm going to unbox. So you have to stick to my channel, right? There are a lot of things to unbox. I'll also show you. I don't only import one thing, I import so many things. So my importation class is a general importation class. All right, so I'm trying to open this. I don't know if I can do it. Please just see it. Let me drop the picture or the video on this particular video. This is a hand rest, manicure hand rest that they use. Nail techs use this. So I bought this for my sister because she's a nail tech. So if you're a nail tech, you too can have this particular item. You can import it from China. Okay, so I have this pack of Ziploc bags. So we also tested with this. So these bags now, they're using it for so many things. Moi, for packaging your products. Those of you that are into product businesses, it has the under too. I think like this. Okay, so when you put, it can sit. They use it for moi, kilish. My sister uses it for kilish. Yes, then her friend uses this for chin chin. So these were what we got. As well, Then this plant you're seeing behind me, I actually imported it. It came with this item. All right. So before I even unbox this, let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see the table. So this table too, this size 2 also came, and this particular one is on sale. I also posted it in my pre-order group. If you're interested in joining my pre-order group, let me know in the comment section. It came out exactly, look at what I ordered. This is what I got. It came out exactly the way I saw it. I actually bought 2 of them. So I have suppliers for interior decor. If you're into that business and you're interested, I can give you the supplier for that. Okay, so today has been really hectic for me because I've been looking for my scissors. There was no light, it was raining, but I just decided that I must make this video. So if you don't know about the overseas shipment that I'm mentioning here, the overseas shipment is the shipping method that 1688 introduced, that you can just ship directly from China to your doorstep. So that thing, I told you guys to hold on, that I will need to test it first before coming to inform you people. And I've tested it. It's not worth it at all. You know that 3 days after doing Weibi from Lagos to Port Harcourt, I got another pickup message for another item, one other item that was there. That was how I found out that my sister's makeup box that we imported was still hanging. Like, these people didn't send it. See, look at this. When I do a proper unboxing, I'm going to show you guys. So this is 5 liters, 5 liters food processor. This is the bowl. I don't know if you can see it. And the motto, they call it the motto, yes. So this is 5 liters. Okay, when I couple it, I'm going to drop the video here for you people to see. Okay, so this is how it comes. This is 5 liters. They have the 3 liters, 5 liters, and 8 liters. They also have 15 liters, but this was the one I got for personal use. So we are almost done. I mentioned this, right? I've mentioned the plants too. So in here is a tripod and LED lights. Know this LED 600 Pro. Yes, that's the light that I got. So if you're on my channel, if you're always here, you will find out that I always let you know things that I imported from China. The light I'm using to film this is actually LED 800 Pro. So this is LED 600, LED 600 Pro. This is the tripod. Okay, so this is the tripod, and this is the lights. Look at the lights. So right, so let's move down to the 2 remaining here. I have this bag. See, the moment I saw the packaging of this bag, I knew the Odogu of tote bag have landed. So this is actually a designer bag. Yes, it's a tote bag. If you feel the weight of this bag, see, I've used tote bag, right? But you see this one, this is everything that you need. So this will be really nice because even as a mom, I don't have mom's bag, so I use mostly tote bag. Yeah, this is what we do. So this will be very easy for my iPad and baby stuff and any other working tools that I have. So I got this bag here for myself. 2 of them, actually 2 of them. See, the same bags, different colors. Look at the same bag, different colors. One is smooth, this other one is like this. Yes, so these are the things I got, and this is the price you can get this. Most of these things, when it comes to China importation, I always advise you, come, get it, import it. All right, so for this overseas shipment, don't try it at all. If you want to ship, you can contact me. As Z Plus Importation, we actually help you ship your item from China down to Nigeria. If you want to do the whole importation thing, then you don't know how to do it, also contact us. All right, you can message me on Instagram with my name on the screen, or my business name, Z Plus Importation. You drop a comment and I will drop my contact. You might as well see my contact, my WhatsApp contact as a pin message on this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel because you are not going to regret it. All right, I have other unboxing videos to do. Stay tuned.